everyone! Welcome back to Daily Auto Tips. Your car care starts here. Today we're taking a close look at a common suspension issue, a cracked trailing arm bushing. If your car's rear end is acting up, making strange noises or feeling unstable, this might be the hidden culprit. Check this out. Here's the right trailing arm, and you can see a clear split in the bushing. Over here on the left side, same thing, visible cracking. These bushings are designed to absorb road impacts and keep your suspension stable. Once they crack, the ride can get noisy and shaky, and it can start to affect tire wear and alignment. Now you might be wondering, how did this happen? Most of the time, it's just wear and tear from years of driving, especially if you live somewhere with rough roads, potholes, or extreme weather. When the rubber in the bushing deteriorates, it can no longer keep the trailing arm steady. That means more movement, more noise, and eventually it can mess with how your rear wheels track. Replacing a trailing arm bushing isn't the most expensive repair, but it's definitely one you don't want to delay. Ignoring it can lead to bigger suspension problems down the road, so if you're noticing clunks, squeaks, or poor handling, get it inspected. Thank you for watching Daily Auto Tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more real-world car care advice.